like 8:30, 8:45, and it's been consistently getting better the entire time. So it's going to be a fun morning, and I guess yesterday was pretty good too, so I'm sure that's why we're all here.
DeAndre, I'm trying.
You're pretty aware that you just tried to run air to dry sand.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Okay.
I'm trying to get rid of these fins.
Just so we're out room. It's beautiful.
It's perfect. It's one of the days right now. What's up, dog? How are you?
I'm good.
I'm looking at you. In the sky.
You got here at 6 a.m. or something?
Hey man.
I was like, where was I gonna go? Bro.
Sheriff Roscoe Pete Go Trains here. Ready? Nah. No. You go.
Maybe. Water. Little late.
Morning, Andre.
Morning, man.
Morning.
Good, this is.
It's really good. It's really good.
Very strong.
Dude, yeah. Wrong time to go to the East Coast.
Dude, I think that's the first time I see you not making a wave.
Oh my god, I just got so smoked. Wow. I hit and then I got airlifted again. I was doing the running man in the water.
It's so nice.
There's a dolphin like smacking the water and shooting fish in the air is what we were pointing at.
Dude, I miss the dolphins.
They're like smacking each other. Yeah. They're still freaking out there. Oh my god, yeah, they are.
I'm gonna fly to. Oh yeah, they are.
Look at that right now, smacking the tail of the water like that. There has to be like
Trying to mess up a fish. Put some on.
yeah, there has to be a
How haven't you broken this thing yet?
How are Blair's right now?
Blair's in the East Coast surfing some hurricane.
That's what I thought. Yeah, I think I saw a post about that.
Missing some good waves and 70 degrees water.
Yeah.
He's blowing it.
That was a good one if you guys on it.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no, the camera.
Look
Look at that mic.
The stand-up vlogger is afraid of camera.
Yeah. Well, peace out. Later, be safe.
Whatever, man.
Good skimming with you. Always, dude. It's a blast. Tomorrow.
Practices that
best schwack now.
You better, dude. I'm taking it. Tomorrow.
Little things are gonna be here again tomorrow?
This thing connecting to that thing. Just like what he's about to do. What's he got? More of that tomorrow. I'll see you. Okay. He's so good. Alright. Today was really fun. Had a lot of good people. Probably a lot of good clips. And do you have anything to say?
It's a great day. It's beautiful, sunny, warm water, good
Gonna go
lineup.
get some donuts and a few.
Oh yeah. Southwell?
Yeah, I'm hungry.
It sounds so good right now.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Grills and spills today, baby.
Dude, you got some sick ones.
Oh, summer's coming to an end in a good way.
Get it! No! Oh, maybe yeah.
Pretty sick, huh? Pretty much the day.
Who was the MVP of the session?
Wow. Thought I kind of started in the lead, and then Sears kind of put me into the second place, I felt.
Yeah, you got some good ones.
But I think I had the most fun. So that's what counts. I had the most fun.
Dude, I think this guy deserves an award.
He does.
Get the fin to the back.
Oh.
I think we're good though. It went like this. It would have got me right in the face.
Dude, after landing 100 airs in the dry sand, if you break a fin on yourself,
No, I mean not
it's
yet.
gonna be like this thing everywhere.
We're still good so far.
Not bad though.
That's from rock pile.
That's what you do. You got to cover your head.
Yep.